our floor structure so that it needs a substrate structure to attach. You understand? But for this one, we are gonna make this thin layer of gypsum board inside of existing gypsum board. So I'm gonna make only one layer of ceiling type. So I need to create a new one using this one. So go to edit type, duplicate. I'm gonna say this is gypsum wall board ceiling. You ready? And I create a new one. Now go to structure. I'm gonna delete gypsum board one, and then I'm gonna change the material of wood at the gypsum board. And then thickness wise, I'm gonna make it as a thinner one. The gypsum board, the thickness on your roof is 5/8, I remember. I'm gonna make this one thinner one, okay? So I will make this one as 1/4 inch size, 0.0.1/4. So that's much thinner, just only one layer. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Click OK, and then OK. Now you go to your properties and you set the ceiling height. Right now, 8.5, that's fine. And you can hover your mouse. And do you think that this is a proper ceiling boundary for this main roof? Yes or no?
No,
Why not?
because there's other rooms.
Which area? This area?
Yeah, the closet area, and then
Closet area is
there's.
different level, so that your main roof ceiling is supposed to be along this way. That's correct. We have a small wall here and a clear story there. That's correct. And this one goes all the way up to here. That's correct because this is a lower ceiling. You got it? So this automatic ceiling works perfectly. You got? Okay, so I'm gonna install that one. And then click. Now I have a ceiling. I can go to my sections. See, I have ceiling here. That's a flat ceiling. Okay, that's 8 feet 6 inches high. Location-wise, it's wrong. Also, slope-wise, it's wrong. We need to define slope. In order to define slope, this ceiling goes up this way. You agree?
Mm-hmm.
So then you define slope on this side. So line here, that's going to be on backyard side. You agree? So we need to define slope on backyard line. You got it? Okay. So you go to second floor ceiling plan, select the ceiling. Now it's a good idea to have a face selection on. I select the ceiling and you click edit boundary. Which line you want to define slope here? It's a backyard, so this is the farthest point of backyard, right? So you select one of this line or that line. You select that line. And you will have a define slope option in option bar. You just check that one. And then slope rate is already 1 inch over 12 inch. That's used for our main roof configuration. So that's good to use right now. We don't have to change, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then finish. And then go to my section. Look at this. So I already have proper slope of my ceiling. Now, how can I insert this one into the existing gypsum board?
Okay.
Align. So you want to align bottom ceiling line to the bottom of your gypsum board lines on your roof. You agree? But then you need to select bottom of roof line as first when you do align, bottom of ceiling as the second. Always first selection will stay, second selection will align to the first one. You remember? Okay. So now I don't see two lines, so I turn off thick line option. If you want to see every layers on your roof, you change the detail level as fine, and you will bring all these elements. So now what I can do is actually align. Go to modify align. Select the bottom of this gypsum board and then bottom of my. It's not done correctly, so I'm gonna do once more. Okay. So I actually have my one thin layer inside of the existing gypsum board. Any problem?
Make sure that it's simple. Now when you no, it's not done. See, so touch this one, and then the bottom. Oh, es be like dentro. Oh, mira, porque tiene una línea más arriba. This one.
Okay, it's important because if you don't have this ceiling properly, you cannot install lights. So I want to go back to my second floor ceiling plan. Now, I'm not going to demonstrate how to install your lights on small roof. You need to do it by yourself. I assume you know how to do it, right? Why we need a ceiling on small roofs? Because you need to install lights. Do you need the lights on the staircase? Yes. Do you need lights on the entry patio? Yes. In the entry area? Yes. How about this closet? Yes. So you need to install ceilings first on small roofs and then have lights underneath. Okay, because the lighting requires host material that are ceiling. You got it? Okay, I assume my ceiling installation is done. So then I go back to my material browser